I'm gonna say this, and maybe some people won't agree with me. First of all, I don't like Jacob Zuma. I disagree with him on a number of things. But when it comes to family, I always value a family. Ukuthi, family is important. Before you can build a nation, we must start building families. Hearing ukuthi one of the daughters, Jacob Zuma, has opened a case against some, I think it's MK members. I stand to be corrected. But that it includes her own sister, uDuduzile Zuma. It must be painful, for a father to hear ukuthi one of your own has opened a case against you. A family, siblings fighting. We are so used to siblings fighting from Ekasi, from time immemorial, Adam and Eve story, Cain and Abel. We know about that. But once it can end up, omunye eshonile, murder, arrest, it must have been painful because, a family should always be together in times of, conflict, turmoil. If one family member is sick, in jail, death, they should always come together, supporting each other. I do acknowledge, the issue, lebangwayo, ukuthi MK took, allegedly, people under false pretense. They say it's 17. Yeah, they ended up joining in a war, Russia versus Ukraine. That is bad. I'm not making light of the situation, but for siblings to be fighting, over politics, because this is politics, whether you look at it in whichever other way, this is politics. To allow politics to come, inside family dynamics, it must have been painful. You've seen it, Kabanyama family, high profile, but yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy. And it brings me to a second point. Us as people, there are certain things, whether it's black or white, Indian, colored, black, African, Jewish, there are certain things we frown upon them. We don't make jokes. In a situation, painful, unlike Americans are Nigerians, they make jokes. Tina, we don't make jokes. That's why I never, welcome the jokes about Oscar Pistorius. When comedians were taking turns, there are certain things we don't find a pleasure goes. You don't laugh at a person because he's sick. A family member, has just died. Even if that person is a politician. Yes, we may differ among our opinions. Sometimes when they said, a certain guy, he was a good leader, then we can come, in and say, no, he was not a good leader. Like about Tito Mboweni, others, the Replant, de Klerk. People can come, share their opinions. Some they will remember you in glorious terms. Others will come and say, you know what, this guy was not an angel, as you are saying. It has become a norm now. Even back in the days, we used to say, you don't speak ill of the dead, but it's happening. That I can accept, especially in the face of propaganda. If George Bush were to die tomorrow, some will come and say, what a good leader. Others, they'll have that right of reply, because it's in the public domain and you've provoked them into, them replying. But you don't laugh still at the person. Uguti, balayigile, good shot. I saw Paul Mashatile walking. I remember Julius Malema making a statement and said, that guy is dying, whenever he's walking, that wasn't bad taste. And not forgetting, Malema, we can see what is eating Umalema. Come on, guys, we can see. At first he came, what we had Jima, sugar diabetes, but we all can see. The writing is in the wall, or on the wall, rather. The writing is on the wall. I'm a propositions. We all can see what's eating umalema, but we don't say or celebrate another man's demise. Paul Mashatile, I don't have issues with him. I differ with his politics, but I'll never celebrate. Come on, guys. Growing up as kids, we don't celebrate death, poverty. We don't make jokes. Ngama parents wako. We don't make jokes nge rape. We don't make jokes nge HIV, cancer. All those unfortunate, sad moments in our lives. Your children, they're in jail. We don't make jokes. But our society has changed. We're now making jokes about other people's illnesses, miscarriages, abortions that came out of necessity. I'm not talking about abortions that are used as a prevention mechanism. There are those forced abortions. Yeah, it is crazy what has happened. But I would not laugh at Mashatile. Many of these politicians, we can see. Abubatabile Dlamini, she says she's not drinking. We all can see. We all can see with some of these guys in parliament, they're on medication. Some of them, heart medication like ARVs. We can see. We can see the text. It's just that we are not doctors. They'll be asking us some questions. What diagnosis, did we undertake to come up to that conclusion? But we can see, even some of them, but stress, even those who've, passed, we all can see, but you don't make jokes. We would say, this guy is sick, or your ex has, died to a short illness, a mysterious illness. No, it is crazy what is happening. But the Ubuntu out of the wind. I understand what the people are angry. There will come a time when the public, members of the public, celebrating the demise of the politicians. There will come that time because people are hurtful, I understand. Yeah, but to celebrate and over things that, things that could occur to you. As they say, even the time when ex-Ska de Klerk was killed, I never celebrated. He was killed and raped by a young man who's supposed to be doing productive things in life. And I also blamed de Klerk there because Tina as guys, our exes, they do matter. They do matter. It's Westman Nabandwan. He was supposed to make sure that Mariki is taken care of. Mariki was betrayed by FW de Klerk. Was supposed to make sure with the security is tight. But those are things that are happening in Pagatin Wagate. But it's quite sad when we now laughing at each other in situation yet. I'm a comedians making jokes about black coffee, making jokes about painful situations. And then we're going to complain about the corruption. That is, corruption. Entry-level corruption. There's so much work to do. There's so much work to do before we go on recess. And those people who are owing me, please guys, pay me. I'm owed a lot of money, and if you paid me 2% of what you owe me, guys, all my problems, challenges will be solved. If you owed me, I'll pay everyone, pay off. But some of our clients, they are on tour, going to Las Vegas with our monies. As if long as paid. Some, they want you, like we've seen in South Africa, people are buying jobs, and you must also buy others so that you can be paid. Your invoices are paid. It's crazy what is happening. It's crazy.